Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, we have another incredible video for you today. And this is one where Hugo is talking about protocol managed wallets, or PMWs, and how this is going to unlock chain abstraction for essentially the entire crypto space. This is extremely huge, and I'm just going to let you jump in right now and listen to what Hugo has to say.
Protocol managed wallets is a protocol that we're building that, in very short description, allows an application on Flare to secure and transact a wallet on another chain. Right. So, but most importantly, only based on the output of that protocol on Flare. So that protocol built on Flare, it can take in data from another chain, it can take in data from Web 2, it can take in price data, it can do some state transition on Flare. And that state transition can then allow that protocol to take an action in a wallet on another chain. That might be that protocol is holding some USDT on Ethereum and it lends it in a lending protocol, right? Stuff like that. So effectively, a protocol built on Flare can interact with other chains extremely safely. And so there's a whole number of things that I think is really interesting once you have that capability. And you know, we already have a couple of RFPs out based around that. We're obviously building our bridges based around that. So we're building a bridge for XRP, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, for to bring those funds to Flare. But I also see that protocol managed wallets as moving very heavily towards chain abstraction, because once you have one app on Flare that can suddenly control and transact on all the connected chains, then as a user, I only need to go to that app to do 80-90% of the business I want to do on chain. It's incredibly interesting.
Now, I'm not sure about you, but this makes me incredibly excited. The idea of Flare being able to execute transaction on any connected chain, like Hugo says, does it really give reason for anyone to use anything but the Flare network? And this is what chain abstraction is about. It's about abstracting the complexity of changing different networks and connecting to different networks with different tools, different extensions, and really simplifying the user experience so that they can just do what they need on each chain from a single point. And that single point will be the Flare network. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do have yourself an incredible day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.